There's a bird that keeps trying to come into my house. See? I don't know what his problem is. It's a beautiful bird, but what the heck? We're told in Genesis chapter 2, verse 6, that it never rained upon the earth, and that the entire earth was watered with from the mist upon it. How could it never have rained anywhere on this planet for 1,656 years approximately prior to that? The answer, obviously, the answer is easier than you may think. We are told that the flood was caused when waters from the deep were broken up, according to Genesis chapter 7, verse 11. And in Genesis 7, verse 17, the water this bird, something wrong with this bird. He goes from the tree to the to right there on the, what is it? Now look, he's gonna come back over here. I don't know, maybe the window looks like a mirror. I mean, there's no tinting on here, so I don't know. Maybe he thinks this is some kind of birdhouse. Look, there he is again. I don't know what he's trying to tell me, but it was not the way it is. It was not the icy desert that we know it today. And here, it all matches biblical prophecy. He's been trying to come in the house already since this morning because I was busy making a pumpkin bread, and he was knocking on another window, and then I thought him come over here. See, there he is.